Hi there, my name is Chris Jones, and I'm going to be introducing today's online course Hackathon, Build a Course in a Week. This is our introduction to that set of courses or that program. So let's get started. So here's one of the major things that we're trying to achieve. So there's an expected $131 billion worth of expected growth in the online learning market in the next 5 years, equating to approximately $262 million if we take 0.2%. So over the next 12 months, we wish to procure 60 programs. That's individual courses added together to make programs up, and make about 1,200 sales worth of e-programs or more. Well, that's our target. And obviously our forecast is much more promising for year 2 and so on. We're going to review mesh learning and what it can do. We're going to understand how our system works, and we're going to understand how you will make money, and then look at the next steps. So, mesh learning is our approach to learning, and it's also how we teach on our massive open online courses incubator. So that's what you're looking at now, and you're kind of going to experience the mesh learning process and principles. Mesh learning is our system for improving teaching over a network of sites. So it allows you to understand how to teach. And we're targeting tutors, teachers, trainers, coaches, and other educators in order to build up their teaching skills online and make fantastic courses with us. Hopefully that's you. So we've built 10 platforms with various designs over the last 6 years and tested them out with various audiences, and we've realized that cultural context is important. If you go on one of the courses or continue with this program, you'll understand what cultural context is and how to leverage it to your advantage. So we still have those 10 platforms, and we're looking to continue building those to build up our base of people running their own platforms. We've interviewed, tested hundreds of filmmakers, so you have those at your disposal if you need them, and visual storytellers to help make sure that there is a pool of talent, help make your courses visually interesting and convey what's needed. This course is obviously the lowest sort of standard that we would expect on our platform. We will expect obviously people to try use video, animations, all sorts of things, and again this will be covered in our course. So we've developed a teaching model called Mesh Learning, which we've tried out in several different projects, including one at Tottenham Football Club. We've got a range of designers, again, talking about cultural context, which will allow affiliate selling of courses on alternative branded websites as well. So the courses are not just going to sit on one website, like you Thinkific. You upload it once and then it can go to multiple sites and sell multiple times. Our content can be displayed on multiple websites instantaneously, as I've said, looking at different niches that can be exploited using the same content. Best of all, you can put your courses on other platforms and increase your passive revenue and leads for other courses. So we're now going to look at how our process works very, very briefly. So essentially, a client will review the site, the offers. So that's you at the moment, and you've either chosen to go it alone and look at our site, or you'll have a bespoke service, and we will help you and guide you through that process. Obviously, at either a cost or at a revenue share cost, depending on whether the course is on our desirable or hit list. The client then chooses how they want to build the course. If you've chosen a coaching package, obviously the distance package is free. If you want the more personalized package, then that's obviously going to have a cost. Client uploads the finished course on the site as a package, or we do it for you. The Mesh Learning team then reviews the courses. Obviously, if we've been working with you, then that's already done. And then the courses are published and the marketing begins. And obviously monthly reviews are made, and obviously the courses are then sold. depending on which route you have taken. So how are you going to make money? Well, obviously we've started talking about it, but there are other ways as well. So if you run your own academy, then you make 100% of the sales of the courses that you sell. If you build a course on mesh learning, then we will share the profits with you 50-50, and you can sell on other people's courses as an affiliate as well. So obviously you can take a particular link from a particular person, sell it on your social media, push it, advertise it however you want to get it out there. If people buy that program, then you will obviously make affiliate cash based on performance. Again, that'll be calculated on a monthly basis. You can sell the whole system as a franchise, and that's obviously once you've sort of understand the basic principles behind it, you may want to then purchase your own system, or going even further, have a copy of the whole system building kit itself. So then you can make your own Netflix or your own SoundCloud or your own whatever you want. So once you've understood the basic principles, I would suggest if any of those things sound interesting, then you come back to us and take our next steps. So obviously, as I said at the start, we're going to need at least 60 amazing subject experts for our first kind of run. Simply start building a course, follow the program as you're going to see through. We're obviously going to look at educational content marketers to help us sell courses, connect with influencers, and so on. We're also looking for entrepreneurial educators. So obviously, if you are an expert in your field, you may not know how to teach, we can help you with that. Also, we need more filmmakers and educational coaches to support learning programs. So if you are a coach and you want to support a program, then get involved and enjoy the course. And we look forward to seeing all of your created courses very, very soon. See you later.